The CP Republic is brought to you by Smart and Talk and Text.
This is the CP Republic and this is Dion.
And I'm Jam.
And today, pag-uusapan natin sa wakas ang O Plus Ultra 3.0. AKA, ang phone na ginamit ni na Aldab nung last month.
Last month.
Oo, nung last month. So, pero ngayon na tayo nagkaroon ng pagkakataon mag-review. So, here we go.
Pero hindi na magagamit pala ni Aldab yun kasi si Alden
Because si Alden
ay nasa kabila na.
Oppo,
So si May na lang.
Oppo F1S ang gamit. In fact, ang gamit yung phone, ito mismo.
Which
yung Oppo
you can
F1S.
check our review. It
Yes.
should be uploaded by the same time na uploaded to.
Yes, Oppo F1S limited edition metallic gray. Yeah, yun ang gamit ngayon ni Alden. So, yung itong O Plus Ultra na ini-endorse niya. Nga pala Aldab na pala tayo ngayon. So, ito yung ginamit na main. And this is actually an update of the O Plus Ultra 2.0 na review natin earlier this year.
Yeah.
So there are certain improvements na gusto kong itakal dito. Una, yung battery. Kasi yung Ultra 2.0 meron siyang 4,000 mAh na battery. This time dinagdagan ng additional 700 mAh.
Okay.
So 4,700 na.
Mas malaki.
Mas mahaba pa supposedly yan yung battery life. Bukod doon, it has now a bigger memory. Ano na siya? Yung dati, ang memory lang nito is 16 gig internal plus 32 gig na storage, making it 32 tama, 60 plus 32, 48, 48 gigabytes ang total. Ito naman, hulaan mo kayo ng storage. Ang internal storage niya is 16 gig. And may built-in siya na 128 gig.
Okay, so that's bigger than our laptops siguro.
Yes.
Yung phone mo na O Plus.
Bigger than your laptop probably because my laptop has same it's the same storage as my O Plus Notepad 4G, Notepad 2.0 4G.
Sa tablet.
Yeah, so this is this is what it looks like. Now the catch is the reason why I removed this I removed the back cover is to show you guys. Okay, you have the two SIM card slots here, both micro SIMs, And where's the micro SD? Nasaan yung micro SD?
Nasaan nga ba?
Oh, it's because the micro SD yung micro SD card slot was already pre-installed with a 128 gig card kaya built-in na siya talaga. So wala ka ng diyan. So that's the downside, You cannot replace a different micro SD card because it's already built in. And the battery is also built in, so there's no way for you to remove the battery.
Most smartphones naman ngayon, parang built-in na lagi yung battery.
Right. So, let's snap the back cover again. So, yeah, that's the good news, and both the good news and the bad news. You cannot replace a micro SD card. It's no longer expandable because nilagyan na ng 128 gig.
So, libre na yung 128.
Okay na, at least libre yung 128 gig, And then, the screen has an HD screen. And the downside of this is it still doesn't have LTE.
Oh, wait. Ano bang CPU na ito? Bakit wala pa rin?
Oh, well, it's listed it's an MTK powered processor which you should be able to see in your screens, along with the other specs. Pero hindi siya pero yun nga, I'm wondering, nag-upgrade si O Plus pero dapat nilagyan na rin ng LTE kasi 'di ba? Why would you still offer phones na walang LTE? And sayang naman you have a
big battery
life. That's what given without LTE you have a longer battery life, right? Pero hindi nga ganun. I mean, it could be a deal breaker for some na naghahanap ng LTE.
Lalo sa mga...
Personally, yun ang disappointment ko because I want an LTE phone.
Kasi most of the time, like ngayon, sa mga gaming, online games, mas maganda yung connection mo. With LTE, di ba? It's something na, kailangan mo.
Right. So, the interface is quite simple. Wala naman talagang binago si O Plus dito. It's, vanilla OS. Vanilla OS yung niya. Android niya. It's Android 6.0 already. Marshmallow. And then okay naman yung performance, multitasking and all. It's very it's very functionable. Now, it's expected, okay? Pero yun nga, wala LTE. I'm still annoyed with that. No. Now, let's try playing before we play games. Let's check out the camera. Because akala ko nung una I would be disappointed with the camera, pero apparently the camera is actually not quite good.
So, photographer's choice talaga siya?
Not this one, but somehow it takes decent photos. Wait, let's focus on this one. Like this one, yung pork barbecue, itong chicharong bulaklak. Close-up photo. Ito, outdoor photo. What do you think of the outdoor photo?
Yeah, mukha. Pero ito lang, parang medyo nag-ano siya.
Yun lang.
Something.
Well, this one, okay na sana eh. Yun lang, dun lang.
Okay yung colors. Ito, totoo, okay ito. Mas okay ito.
Mas okay ito eh. So,
okay.
depending nga sa focusing eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Well, no, not that one. Not that one. This one, well, obviously, it's not good. Okay, si Mark. Let's check other photos. On indoor shots, so.
Tama lang.
Not really that great.
Malapit na siya mag-wash out. Malapit na
siya mag-wash out.
Feeling ko talaga malapit na siya mag-wash out. Kasi kulay.
Ito, some of the indoor shots. Ito, dito ako sa una nagulat.
May pagka-yellow niya.
Yeah. No, and it's bright. May pagka-vivid.
Mm-hmm.
This one, yeah, may pagka-vivid. And this one.
Oh, yes.
This one's nice.
Yeah. Pero medyo siya, parang, hindi siya ganun ka...
yun lang. Yun lang.
Low light.
Yeah.
Low light, diba yan, yung time?
Low light ito sa Samsung Low light ito lang problema ko sa indoors.
Wala akong problema kasi nandiyan si Jose Marichan.
Yeah, kaso yung kuha ko sa kanya, hindi ko siya makuha na maayos.
Mapapansin mo yung noise niya.
Yeah, so...
Pero okay na yung shot kasi nandiyan si Jose Marichan.
Yeah. Gabi. Gabi naman, night shot to.
Okay Medyo okay lang.
Yeah, alam mo kung tutusin, mas lamang to ng konti kaysa sa Cherry
Oh, yeah. Mas lamang siya.
Mas lamang siya kaysa, yung camera nito, mas lamang siya kaysa,
mas maganda yung
sa camera ng Cherry.
Mas maganda yung processing siguro niyan.
Right.
Images.
Right. Now, so, camera is not bad. Okay? Not bad. Better than the ones we've reviewed from Cherry Mobile. Overall. Now, what about gaming? Si Game Master mag-handle ito. We installed Dead Trigger because I don't want to expect too much from this processor. And
so medyo matagal na. Loading pa nga lang So medyo
and Dead Trigger is not hindi siya mabigat
Alright.
Okay, please check.
Exit muna to
Yes.
Tapos okay. Wait. Okay, may naglo-load kasi na
Alright, so ito yung
campaign.
Demo ng gaming natin for Dead Trigger 2.
So medyo naglo-load pa rin.
Yeah.
Napakatagal ng loading ng Dead Trigger 2.
Yeah, always. Well, how can we complain? It's free. And mababa na nga yung yung game na yan, di ba?
Sana may Dead Trigger 3 nga na mas mabigat yung graphics.
Oo nga.
Just to test it out sa mga games.
Okay, we're hearing the sounds. Here we go.
What do we have here? Enter the world of pain.
Here we go.
So far okay pa naman dito. Pero may konting drops yata na frames. Hello. Ay.
Hindi yan auto-fire.
Okay. Namimiss dito. Ayan. So,
Ito ba na frame? Hindi ko naman notice eh.
kanina meron eh. Which is weird nga. Pero ngayon wala na. Ngayon okay na ulit. Kanina meron eh. So, well, since ano nga siya, napansin niyo naman yung loading niya matagal sa kanya. Mas nakakairita lang na ganun yung loading niya. Hello. Yan,
So,
so,
this would work, I suppose, also for games like New Racing 3, siguro NBA 2K16, 17,
Pero-
low settings.
lowest as in. Pero don't expect enjoyable frame rate sa 2K17.
Yeah.
Mas mabigat siya eh.
Well, kung talagang masaya, karamihan naman yata, masaya lang makapaglaro lang.
Oo. So, alam mo na, basta mapatakbo. Which is, masakit naman sa ulo na rin. So, ewan ko. Ewan ko matutuwa kayo doon.
Yeah.
Yan. So, yeah.
Yeah, so that's that's the gaming part. And then,
Which is, ang tagal lang mag-load ng loading siya. So, I guess it has something to do with the RAM din.
yeah.
Oo.
Yeah, dapat nga sabi ko, dapat nga gawin ng 3 gigs na rin.
Gagawin 3 gigs yung RAM, yes.
Anyway, the battery life is 4,700 milliamperes. And since wala akong LTE, naman ako, more than 2 days actually. Kaya more than 2 days. So, and pag wala ka talagang data,
Oo.
sometimes sinadya ko,
Wala data.
maabot na more than 1 week.
Kasi ano siya eh, 4,700 eh. It's near the Zenfone Max. Which is yung first variant, by the way.
Yeah, first
Tumatagal siya ng ilang araw.
Yeah.
And ito, well, wala kang LTE.
Yeah,
So,
wala.
ano mas tatagal pa lalo yan.
Pero yun nga, if yun ang habol mo, kaya habol mo lang is big storage na tapos yung large battery life, especially kung manonood ka rin ng movies, 'di ba? Or mag-internet lang na naka 3G or Wi-Fi lang, well, okay na siguro 'yan, 'di ba? Pero sana lang LTE, may nilagyan LTE, sana may 3 gigs ang RAM. This would be a competitor. Pero yun nga, may mga nagrereklamo sa price na 8,990 is kind of expensive for this phone.
No, pero you'll get large storage eh, which is
Pero yun nga, yun ang
something
pinaglalaban naman ni Oppo. Ay, may O Plus pala, sorry. Na large storage ka
We
naman.
got a large storage on this one. Tapos yung battery pa, something na wala sa ibang smartphone.
Yeah. Alright, so that's the O Plus Ultra 3.0. That's our recommendation if you want a long battery life, big storage. This is your phone. No? Camera is slightly better than all the Cherry Mobile phones. So, pwede na.
Pwede na nga.
Oo. Yung RAM lang sana mas malaki. And, yeah. As long as you don't play high graphic games, you should be good with this phone.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's it. And see you next time in our future reviews. Again, this VR and Jam. And, well, hindi pa, may episode pa tayo, pero as early as now, we're greeting you, Merry
Christmas.
Ba't naglungkot ng Christmas?
Christmas!
Yeah. Alright, so that's all.